Here is how you can find your iPhone from another iPhone. Now, let's just say you left your phone at your friend's house or you just lost it at the fair or something. I'm going to show you to easily find it using another iPhone. Now, it's pretty simple to do, just make sure you follow these steps. But without further ado, the first thing we're going to do to actually do this is we're going to head over to our local web browser, or if you're using another phone, the first thing we're going to do is we actually want to head over to our local web browser, or if you're using another phone, you can use that web browser there too. And once you're here, what you want to do is you just want to type in the iCloud link. As you can see, it already autofills in. You click enter, and once you're here on this website, what you want to do is you just want to sign in to your iCloud account. As you can see, it already autofills my information, but you need to make sure you can log into your account using the information that you know. If you forgot your password, you can easily reset it, but once you're here, it actually brings you to this panel. But instead of this, we just want to scroll down past all this. Click on the Find My feature. Once you click on the Find My feature, this will actually take a few seconds to load, but it will locate all the devices that are linked to your phone. As you can see, all the devices that are linked to my phone have just shown up here. It's obviously blurred, but assuming you did lose your device at your friend's house, this is where you would see the map to find it and see exactly where the device is. And this is linked to all your devices too. You can just click on them and you can make them vibrate, make them make any noises that you want, and it's simple as that. If you found this video helpful, leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel if you are new.